Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate a natural looking AI video in CapCut. So to do that is quite simple, just open up your CapCut application, then tap on the text menu which is on the bottom left corner of the screen, then tap on add text which is going to open up your keyboard and you can type in the text that you would like to use for your AI video. Then you just have to select the text box that you have written, then tap on AI
Hey, how are you?
and this menu is going to show up where you can select from a huge list of different AI avatars for your video. And for natural looking casual videos, you just have to select the last option, which is casual. And here, as you can see, there are lots of natural looking videos that
Hey,
seem
how are you today?
user generated. And yeah, you can just select the one that you prefer and it is going to be applied to the text that
Hey, how are you today?
introduced. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.